Back-to-back wins under new coach Leonardo Semplici has turned Cagliari's dismal season around. Tonight they face mid-table Sampdoria, who have picked up 1 point in 3 matches, and they don't want to risk falling any further down the table. As Pavoletti collects that ball, he heads it back to João Pedro. He has another chance, and he makes no mistake. 1-0 Cagliari. In the 11th minute of play, João Pedro has beaten Aldero. Great start for the visitors here in Genoa. João Pedro with his 13th goal of the season. And this was some intelligent and unselfish play from Leonardo Pavoletti. Great save from Aldero at the first shot, but he couldn't do much at the second. Augello. A flick on from Quagliarella. Balde brought to ground, and the penalty's been awarded to Sampdoria. Well, there are protests from both sides here. The flag is up for offside. No penalty. Quagliarella finding Candreva. Berezinski on the overlap again, ignored by Candreva. The ball spills now to Jankto. Opportunity for Sampdoria. Jankto quickly shut down. Ramirez. Strong effort, but straight to Cranio. Take it short. Berezinski back to Candreva. On his right, the ball is whipped in, and it's Pavoletti who clears. And then Quagliarella once again with the semi-overhead. Not hit with enough pace, and Cranio gets there in time. Ramirez on the attack, chips it forward. Jankto leaves it for Berezinski. 1-1. What a way to open your Serie A account. Bartosz Berezinski, with his first goal in Serie A, levels it here at the Stadio Luigi Ferraris. It's 1-1. And the Pole has beaten Cranio at the near post. Now Sampdoria. Shot from distance. What a goal. Manolo Gabbiadini has turned this result around. Sampdoria hit the front with a cracker from Manolo Gabbiadini. It's 2-1. Cranio beaten twice in 2 minutes. And Manolo Gabbiadini lets fly with a left-footed thunderbolt in the top corner. High ball forward, looking for Cherry. His header finds Pavoletti. Nainggolan! What a leveler! Nainggolan! His first goal of the season gives Cagliari hope. With the last kick of the game, Raja Nainggolan has belted that from 35 meters. And it's beaten Aldero 2-2 at the death. It's all over here at the Luigi Ferraris. The final score, Sampdoria 2, Cagliari 2.